have the biggest truck here. Come on, blower, I can take more. No, you can't. You're full already. Oh, man. Okay. But he is a big truck. Look at how much snow he can Okay, kids, I'm blower. What I do is I blow all the snow into the trucks. I have two powerful blades that whiz around very fast and eat up all the snow. The chute up there helps get it into the trucks. I'm so strong, in fact, that I can get the snow into the back of the trucks. That's quite powerful. Not many machines can do that. But I'm not the only machine out here tonight. I'm Little Dude. What I do is I clean up all the snow that the blower has left behind. Grader puts the snow into a row that I can collect for the second pass. And I'm Mini Plow. What I do is I plow all the snow that has not been collected by the Bobcats yet. Well, the city is all clean of snow now. I guess that means we have to move to where the houses are next. This is a really big job. We're gonna go into the neighborhoods next. I'll see you later.